Hey guys, how's it going? This is Captain Energy. I just wanted to do a quick little video here to show you guys Algoritm. Now, yesterday I went over and looked at this, kind of my thoughts, and kind of wasn't feeling this synth that much. And today, after seeing it, I have a big kind of turnaround of attitude about it. This is probably one of my favorite FM synthesizers I've ever seen, because it gives you the ability to shift all the registers around. Normally there are preset register algorithms where there are different oscillators and processes that are in a certain order, and you have to tweak them a little bit here and a little bit there. Well, in Algoritm, they allow you to choose what the different operators are, wire them together any way you want, feeding into each other or through each other any way you want. And then you can also have these out lights here, where it says out, and how they're dark here. The ones that are out actually go to the mixer. So you can pick what feeds out of the sounds. You've also got your typical control matrix down here, but they also built in a lot of the reason synths lately have been having these integrated sound effects. So they got all that down here, and they're pretty good. And there's a whole bunch of other settings here that we can mess with. Right now, I just wanted to let you hear a little song I was working on. I just threw something together real quick. It's just using the default sounds. I'm just going to play it, let you hear it, and basically I'm going to come back once I get a little bit more in depth with this synthesizer and kind of go over it a little more. Also, I don't want to steal Venus Theory's thunder. He's got a presentation coming up in about an hour where he's going to go over it, and I'd recommend everybody go check him out after you've seen this, or check me out after you've seen him. Either way, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave comments, like the video, and subscribe for more information about upcoming videos. And here we go. Let's take a listen to this. Now, just so you know, all the sounds you heard in that production were stock sounds. Nothing was created. Just to give you an idea of how this thing sounds, I think it sounds pretty damn good, to be blunt. It's $100, so I think the price is a little on the heavy side, but not bad for a synth of this quality, or for the sound quality that this thing has, and also for the flexibility that this synth provides. It's a real good choice. I would say it's real solid, and I would encourage everybody to go to the Try It and give it a go if you're a Reason owner. Of course, if you're a Reason Plus subscriber, you already have this and have been messing with it maybe throughout the day. It's definitely a good one and definitely worth owning. So kudos to Reason Studios for providing another great synth. Now, I think we should consider, I mean, looking at the interface to this, I am hoping that they're taking notes on their own product and thinking, now how can we integrate that kind of functionality into the rest of the DAW? Because that would be astounding, especially in the combinator area where I've mentioned before, where we could have a customizable combinator with a grid where we dropped controls in. This basically has all the makings of a possible future design for other components of Reason. Hopefully, we will see more like this in the future. Good job, Reason Studios. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, I will be doing a more in-depth coverage video of this synthesizer at a later time. Right now, I'm just going to kind of study it myself and see what I think of the rest of it. As far as, it seems pretty awesome from what I've seen and heard, but I know, again, Venus Theory has a video coming up. And also, if you're interested in learning more about FM synthesis in general, I would recommend checking out Dom Sigalas. Dom Sigalas did an excellent video on FM synthesis and how to create FM sounds. So I'll put that link down in my comments below. So I will talk to you guys later on. I'll be looking forward to giving you guys part 2, and I hope you guys will let me know what you think of this one. All right, have a great day. Bye.